Hi everyone. As the famous Pablo Picasso said, quote, every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once he grows up. पलक एक प्रतिभावान कलाकार हैं। कॉमर्शियल आर्ट में ग्रेजुएशन किया है। 3 साल अपनी कक्षा में टॉप पर रही हैं। निरंतर नया खोजना और उसे तकनीकी आयाम देना पलक की विशेषता है। बहुत सुंदर चित्र बनाती हैं। ये जो पेंटिंग आप देख रहे हैं, ये पलक ने बनाई है और ऐसे कई चित्र आप देखेंगे। It is often said that lucky are those who make a career out of their hobbies. You are the chosen one, Palak. Tell us more about it.
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for the lovely introduction. I'm truly honored.
Thank you.
So, my interest in art developed at a very young age. I remember whenever I used to take a break from studies, I used to paint or create a fun DIY project or craft with my sister. It used to be a favorite hobby. And even back in school, extracurricular activities were given as much importance as any other academic subject.
Palak, tell me something. When was the first time you fell in love with art or drawing?
Eventually, I realized that it was so much more than just a mere hobby, and so I decided to pursue it as my career. For 2 years, I studied fine arts as my 5th subject in class 11th and 12th, and later I graduated in visual arts.
As we all know, Instagram is a popular social networking site to display one's talent. So, what is your Instagram story, Palak?
A few months ago, I even started my Instagram page and started posting about my artworks. And a friend of mine approached me to create a portrait for his sister. I think it was her birthday, and it came out really well, and I got appreciated for it. And since then, I'm working as a portrait artist. But I see myself as an art enthusiast because I love exploring new mediums and techniques and want to do so for as long as I can.
What drove you to make it as your career?
So, like I said earlier, for me, art has always been so much more than just a mere hobby. In my childhood, I used to see it as an escape, but now as I've grown older, I realized that art became a medium through which I could express myself. Instead of being vocal about my feelings, I'd use colors to project them on a piece of paper or a sheet of canvas. Now that art has become such a huge part of my everyday routine, it is like meditating. I just put on some music and immerse myself in the process, oblivious of the timings or my surroundings. I just spend hours and hours doing what I love.
Why choose visual art only?
So I remember when my class 12th results came out and I had scored really well, but I was adamant to pursue fine arts. Many of my relatives opposed the idea. After all, it was not the mainstream choice. But thankfully, my parents have always been very supportive of me pursuing this field. They've always taught us that no matter what your job is or no matter what field you choose, as far as you're passionate about it and you're giving your 100%, you will excel in it. I feel everyone should do what they love so they wake up each day excited for their work.
How much did appreciation of friends help Palak?
The messages and appreciation that I receive when I post a picture of my work online or the love that I receive from my clients is so overwhelming that it drives me to do better each day and, if possible, influence others like me to pursue art as a career.
This makes me so happy, so happy, I can't tell you. This looks exactly like me, like a prettier version of me. Thank you so much, Palak and Priyanka, for making such a lovely painting, guys. It looks like a picture clicked, but it's a painting. Very, very good job, guys.
थैंक यू पलक। कभी साहित्यकार तो कभी संपादक, कभी कल्चर बाजार तो कभी अनुवादक, कभी रंगमंच तो कभी युवा आर्टिस्ट कलाकार। आज कोना मनका में आपने सुना फ्रीलांसर पलक बख्शी को, तो जाइएगा नहीं। हर हफ्ते हम आपकी मुलाकात कराते रहेंगे किसी न किसी हस्ती से। तब तक के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।